right, welcome back to my kitchen. We are using the second edition of the CPUP textbook, and we are on activity 65 today. It's called chemical batteries. Our experiment did not work out the way we expected to in class, so my daughter, hey, and I are going to redo the activity for you, and hopefully we can get decent results. So we've got all sorts of things set up here. We've got our magnesium and iron, zinc and iron, copper, magnesium, so on and so forth. We have all of these combinations. Sadie has the scales. Can you show them the, yep, there it is. So we're going to use those in just a minute here to measure out our salt. And then we've got our hydrogen peroxide. So again, these are just things you can get at the regular grocery store. Okay, so we're going to pause here. We're going to get set up a little bit, and then we're going to get started. Okay, so remember we're going to use the scale, right? So we turn the scale on. Make sure that's off. And then we put our cup on. Okay, and then the cup has a mass to it, and as soon as it registers, yep, you push the tare button.
There.
Good job.
And now it is at 0 when we press the T-A-R-E button.
That's right, it's at 0. Now what did we need to do yet?
We need to put 3 scoops
3 grams of salt.
3 grams of salt.
Yeah, so do our best to get 3 grams of salt.
I got it in!
Nice job! All right, just a little bit. Okay. Oops, not too much. How are you over there? Did you get it? Almost. All right, just a tiny bit more. We're both at 2.8. And just a tiny, tiny bit more. Just a couple little sprinkles. Ooh, a little bit more.
One more.
Yeah, just a little bit. There you go. Perfect job. Okay, so now, what did we add after we added the 3 grams of salt? Take this away, and we turn off our scale, and then what do we do?
We added water.
Okay. Do you want to do the salt first?
No.
I'm doing salt first.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
How much water do you want? Can I help you?
Yes.
Okay. So we need 25 milliliters of water in our fancy cups here, but we forgot. We forgot graduate cylinders at school.
Okay.
All right. And
wait, no, not
pick,
yours.
dump in mine. Okay. And then I need 10 more.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then so I'm gonna pour mine in when my water is in.
Okay. And then what do I do now with when I have this done?
Can I have some more?
Do I hold on? Just hold on. So do I stir it now and then I add 25 drops of hydrogen peroxide?
Mom, can I have some?
Okay, you can. So we're gonna pause it while we get our solutions set up here. We're gonna come back in just a moment with 25 drops of solution. So Sadie is adding hydrogen peroxide at this point, and then we're gonna pour it in because while you were paused, we've filled all of the other solutions here. Okay, everything's labeled. Some of them have been sitting. Sorry, my son is sick. Get his soup out of the way here in a second. Some of them have been sitting for a few minutes, and you can see that they've started to make bubbles over here. Okay.
Hi.
Hello, Sadie. All right, are you done?
And they're also making bubbles inside the tubes, and they're sharing their bubbles to go inside and outside the tubes.
Nice. And then, all right, you've got your salt dissolved and you added your hydrogen peroxide?
Yeah.
Okay, we added a funnel because we had a mishap and we spilled a bunch of solution all over the table, which is good that we weren't recording. So now we have a funnel. Okay, hold on.
That's better.
There we go. All right, so put that off to the side. All right.
Mom, I'm going to take
Okay.
2.
All right, so hold on. We're still recording. So we've got magnesium and iron.
And we
have zinc and iron, copper and magnesium, copper and zinc, copper and iron and magnesium. So the next thing that Sadie and I are going to do, can you go in that pink bin and get 2 wires, please? A red one and a black one. So now what we're going to do is we're going to hook up.
We're going to hook up them together, I think. Mine won't both sets again. One black and one red.
Yep, and we're gonna hook them one to each, and we're gonna hook a piece to the motor, and we're gonna see if they turn on, okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna pause while we do that, and then we'll be right
We'll
back.
be coming back as soon as we can.
Yep. All right, so my lab results were the same as your lab results. Epic fail. I've got the zinc and magnesium as close together as they can go, and there is 0 movement. The copper and iron also nothing. The copper and zinc, it wants to go every once in a while. Like if you tap it, it spins a couple times. That's about it. The copper and magnesium, the one that is supposed to be like our amazing example here, it's supposed to be spinning. Even when I move it right next to each other, it's supposed to be like spinning super fast.
Hello.
Is doing nothing. Yeah. Sadie's is working just fine though. So we've got the zinc and iron, which no surprise there, isn't doing anything even next to each other. The magnesium and iron for us is the only one that seems to be working, and it only works when they're right next to each other. So my lab results do not dictate what should be happening. What should be happening is this. We should have the copper magnesium is spinning very fast, and then this magnesium and iron combination should be our number 2. We've got our copper zinc is a number 3, and then the copper iron doesn't move. The zinc magnesium sort of slow, and the zinc and iron only when you push the flag is it supposed to do anything, which is what I was seeing. But you can see that there are bubbles. If we look here.
And Mom, let me say something.
Where are the bubbles, Sadie? Do you see bubbles?
Bubbles are in here. They come through the magnesium and they go up here. They come down. They go up here. They come down.
Right, and they're all over the place.
And they always do a rotate for the whole thing.
So yeah, so we've got lots of bubbles everywhere.
Oh,
We had, hold on, where's an iron? Oh, this one has a little bit of an iron. The color is changing just a little bit.
So
The color is changing just a little bit. You can see that the oxidation's happening. You can see that. But other than that, yep.
So
All right, so Sadie.
it's changing to gold in these two.
Yep. All right.
And can I ask everybody something?
Sure, you've got about 3 seconds. What are we going to ask them?
So maybe a couple of them are changing colors, like this one, and this one.
Okay, maybe they're changing
And that
colors.
one and that one. Maybe a couple are and that one.
Mm-hmm.
And this only one is not, but so most of all, I made that one over there that's spinning.
Yep. So the 6-year-old made the one that's working.
Yes, and
All right, good
that
job.
one we made together. We made that one together.
Yep.
We made that one together.
All
we
right,
made
can
that
you
one,
say
and
goodbye
that
to
one.
all of my students and say bye?
Bye.
See you later.
Bye.
Oh, where are you?
Bye.